My grandma only drove this to church and back on Sundays.
It's got 200,000 miles.
She was extremely holy. Gabish?
If this is what it felt like the last time you bought a used vehicle, get to Classic Toyota in Tyler.
Disrespect my grandma.
On this day, fun, excitement, triumph is yours. Treasure Chest Casino, your kind of place.
All I want to know is you got the head on time. That's all I want to know.
I did what you told me to, T.
What did I say?
What you said to...
Maybe I should just interview for more number 2.
I didn't put moron in the ad, Tony.
I'm going to stab you in the eye with a pick a fork, Frankie. You're getting on my last nerve. What is your name again?
I didn't give it to you in the first place. It's Trixie with a T.
Just like you, T.
I was so curious, I wanted to know more. By chance, with your grandfather in the Civil War?
Not that I'm aware of. Why do you ask?
That's not good enough. She's my daughter. I can't have her be a part of your torturous curse. She deserves more than that. I'll finish this for you. Grab your bags, girls. We're taking a little vacation. We're gonna get out of here and go down to the house in New Orleans.